Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we are going to create Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account. Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account is built on top of a standard storage account which previously created, but it provides some additional feature such as hierarchical namespace, big data analytics, big data workload as well. So before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. It is really helpful to motivate me. Now let's get started. Now I am going to create Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. So click here to create Data Lake Gen 2 account or search here storage account. This Data Lake account is also created on the top of a storage account. So click here and click here to create. In this page we require to fill all required information to create Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. So I am choosing subscription free trial. Choose your appropriate subscription. And resource group, I am choosing RG learning resource group which previously created. If you do not have any resource group, then click here to create new resource group. And storage account name, I am choosing SA Gen 2 learning for. This should be accept only lowercase and number, and this should be unique across Azure portal. So this is not taken by anyone, so I am choosing this one. And region, I am choosing Central India. Performance, I am choosing standard. And redundancy, I am choosing here locally redundant storage because this is the cheapest option. And click here next. And for creating Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account, you have to enable this hierarchical namespace. Click on this checkbox. It is important to create Data Lake Storage Gen 2 account. And choose other default. I am choosing other things like networking, data protection and encryption. All we choose default and click here review and create. Validation in progress. It's take few seconds to validate. And now click here create. Deployment in progress. It's take few minutes to deploy. Deployment is completed. Now go to resource. And you can see here it is similar to a storage account which created previously, but you can see here in properties, you can see here Data Lake Storage, and here hierarchical namespace is enabled. And in previously you can see this is the blob storage here in properties. So this is the difference between a simple storage account and Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. So you can see menu is similar to simple storage account, and it is used for big data analytics. Generally used Data Lake storage account generally used for big data analytics. So now go to container and create one container. I am typing here lake Data Lake Gen 2 dataset. Okay, click here to create, and you can see here one container created. Now again go to here, and that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. See you in next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.